Wow.
What is it, honey?
A scissor doggy.
Oh.
He's dead.
Yeah? He's a dancer? Look at his paws. Maybe you squeeze his paws. You help her, Dad? What do you think, honey? You like it? You like your dancing doggy? He's so fun, huh? Oh.
Big hug.
Oh, that's so nice. What else is in the bag? Did you look? What? Oh my goodness gracious. Some candies?
What is this?
What's that?
Oh, some necklaces. Wow, honey. Those are pretty.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this. I have M&Ms.
M&Ms, yeah.
Daddy, I wanna open it.
Wanna open those?
Wow.
You got to open your card, too. Wherever it is. It's under, there it is. Can you get it open?
Here. I'll give you two of these.
Yum.
You got those and Dale open